Hi, my name is Hulon Morales, and today I'm going to teach you how to make Snickerdoodle cookies. You're going to need 1.5 cups of sugar, 1 cup of shortening, 2 eggs, cup of 3/4 cup, like
2 3/4
cups of flour, 2 teaspoons of cream and tartar, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1.5 teaspoons of salt, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. Set your oven to 400 degrees. Pour 1.5 cups of sugar. Then you're going to pour 1 cup of shortening. Now you're going to add 2 eggs. Next, you're going to mix. In a separate bowl, sift together 2 3/4 cups of flour, 2 teaspoons of cream of tartar, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1.5 teaspoons of salt. Then, now stir into creamed mix. That is all combined. Let's put 2 tablespoons of sugar. Now let's put 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. Now let's mix it. Now we're going to shape the pieces into the size of a walnut. Next we're going to turn the dough into a ball about the size of a walnut and roll it in front. Now we're going to place it on the pan. Last, bake it in the oven for 8 to 10 minutes until it's slightly browned. Put it in the oven. Don't these look delicious? Time to taste. Thanks for watching. Bye.